Hey there, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen, on the wide world, intraweb, or whatever you want to call it there. I'm Tony Dingbats coming at you live from the Hook Knife Studio here. And first of all, I gotta apologize, because I've been, I don't know if you've been paying attention, but I've been paying attention to some of this stuff on here going up on the Hook Knife channel. But that guy, that Gary fella there, I'm so sad. Oh, life is so hard. Oh my goodness. Hey, on behalf of Hook Knife, anybody here who gives a damn, I apologize, okay? How about we play a little game? Let's count how many times this guy Gary says, take a look. And, I'm looking, and, but, that, from, because, my, with, I'm not, gonna get, they're, I was like, kind of, because, maybe, I don't have that many fingers. I don't know. Why don't you get to the friggin' point, huh? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Quit breaking my balls. Get out of here. So, next thing I wanted to talk about here was this little winter blizzard, this snowstorm here. It's got everybody in a little uproar. Hey, you ain't got to worry about it. Forget about it. There ain't nothing to worry about. Look, I'm telling you, I got the perfect solution here. Everybody's running out to get their bread, their milk, and their eggs. You don't need that stuff. All you need, I'm going to show you how to make the Dingbats Bourbon Blizzard here. For anybody who's stuck inside in this, historic snowstorm that hit the East Coast over the weekend there. And first thing you're gonna need there, you're gonna need a glass. And I apologize here for the Elvis Presley glass there, but hey, he is the king. And the FBI, they confiscated all my goods, during the raid. So I had to do with whatever I could find here in his house. It's Gary. He's got some weird stuff, Elvis. But anyway, get a glass. What kind of glass? Nobody cares. Okay. And then the next thing you need to put some bourbon in. How much? Nobody cares. Just throw some bourbon in there. And here, I'm going to tell you is a secret ingredient. Okay. All you need, well, it's depending on your preference here, but I'm planning on a long night ahead. So first you need a bucket, and then you need a shovel. Okay, so I got me about like a 2.5 gallon bucket here. I got me a little shovel here, and if you hang tight there for a second, I'm gonna go get the secret ingredient. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're now outside. Here is the secret ingredient. We got all this snow here. So like I said, grab yourself a bucket. Here's your shovel, scoop, and dump. There you go. It's as simple as that. So we got a good bit, like I said, for a long night. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take this on back inside and we'll finish up. Okay, I'm back. And as you can see, got us some snow. That's the secret ingredient. It's not really that hard. So you got you a bucket full of snow. Remember, your glass, your bourbon, and all you do, take the snow, bam, throw it in the bourbon, take you a drink. I like to enjoy mine with a nice cigar. So, there you have it. the Dingbats Bourbon Blizzard, brought to you by Tony Dingbats. So, thank you for watching the Hook Knife Network. I'm Tony. I hope to see you again soon. Bada bing, bada balls.